Hi, welcome back to my channel, right? Today's topic is continuation for the previous about how we can use ChatGPT in 2024, right? So in today's video, I want to explore with you how can you use ChatGPT to do writing improve, right? How you can ask it to improve your writing if you have published some article of any writing on the internet or on paper, right? And you can ask ChatGPT to help to improve writing. Second thing is a role play, explanation of concept also. And you can ask command to use, right? Ask prompt command to use. Right? If you are lost, what commands should I use to tell ChatGPT to give me this answer, that answer for a certain topic, right? Then you can actually ask command to use. And also, last but not least, is a mentorship, right? So first thing first, right? Let's say the day I have article, right? Right. I wrote some article, right, on Medium, right, for example, right? Okay, I just show you what I wrote in Medium, right? Okay, just go to the Medium. Okay, go to my story, right? So I published three articles here, right? So let's say I have topic talking about how to make money with ChatGPT and other AI tools and unlocking the income potential, right? And let's look at this, right? This talking about AI chatbot, right? So I have written this article, right? Some times ago, right? So so how do you know whether your writing is good or bad or need some improvement, right? So this is how you can ask ChatGPT in the prompt, right? I just open a new prompt. You can give me a command that is give me feedback on this text. Tell me what is good and bad and what to improve, right? So you can just copy and paste your text here, right? Okay, so I just put like this. Just give you an example, right? Okay, cool. So you see here is summarize for you, right? Based on the text I paste here, right? It say follow your text set is good, strong foundation of discussing the benefit of AI chatbot in marketing automation. Here is some feedback to consider. What is good, clear introduction, engaging language, focus on benefit. Area for improvement specific. What why you mentioned the benefit of AI chatbot, it could be strengthened by providing specific example. Okay, start with transition from introduction to the main character could be spotted. Consider adding a center of rather than specific with a gap between the clarity on the structure. The reader may benefit for a very outline of what will be covered in the article, right? So there is something I ask you to improve and what is the device example, right? So this is a device example, you can just copy and paste it onto your writing, right? To further improve it, right? So this is one of the way, right? Second thing is yeah, you will derive it ready. So it may say, how would you derive this text, right? So it will derive it. Yeah, so this have been given before. So that's the explore the next part, right? How you want to have someone role play with you for certain scenario, right? If you are practicing a role of particular identity, right? Example, right? If you are going for interview with Microsoft, right? How you can engage ChatGPT to role play with you, right? Something like this, right? You interview me for a job at Microsoft, please conduct practice interview with me. So you're treating ChatGPT as an interviewer, right? So just click enter here. So it will actually come out the low script with you, right? Yeah. So this is some of the potential question if you go for interview with Microsoft and to be asked interviewer, you're welcome. So this is ChatGPT welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Da, da, da. So thank you for having me. Sure, I have a background in software engineering. So this is how it's be answered and respond and what are the question you can expect from the interviewer, right? Let's say give you another example, right? You interview for a job at for example, maybe at a bank, right? we conduct interview with it as a bank, as a how we say, as a uh, relationship manager. So for example, okay, so you're attending an interview with a bank as a relationship manager. So what kind of expectation for interviewer and vice versa, and also so here is some of the potential question may be asked to you and how it should be answered. So that is role play, right? You can even role play for different occasion. I'm just giving you about job interview. You can role play for other, let's say you are attending a family gathering, right? About and what is activity things or a topic you should be talking if you are introvert people, right? Yeah, something like that. So let's move on to the next topic about explanation of concept. So you can ask ChatGPT to explain the concept, the formula. Let's say you're talking about if a circle has a dimension of 10, then what is the area? So you're asking ChatGPT to answer for you the right question. So particularly you know everything, right? So a circle can be calculated using the formula A equivalent to this, where A is the area, the R is the radius of the circle. We'll give the dimension of the circle, it's likely different in diameter. You also have to okay. So this is now plug in the radius to the formula. So it give you the formula. So the area of the circle is approximately 8.254. So pretty fast one, right? So the way it can answer to you, right? Such a brilliant thing, right? So can you explain the formula of findings? Please, right? Okay. Circle. Can you explain the formula of finding a circle? So if we give you a formula of finding, so anything you have doubt, or you can treat it as your a guru or mentor or something like this, right? Right. So just ask a silly question, for example, ask GPT how to bank collect, right? So just GPT will give you a whole kind of different data set and what will happen, right? Right. So if you ask it how to be successful in life, so something like successful life, example, right? Pretty good, right? So how to be successful in life, if we list now all the 10 different steps here, right? Let's move on to the next topic about you want to prompt certain you don't know how to write certain prompt, so what I mean, right? Then you can actually uh, ask a ChatGPT to tell you what is the command to use, right? Let's say you say I have an essay I wrote and I want to know what kind of command I can ask you regarding editing my content, right? So, right? Say, so you can ask for various some type of command to help you editing essay. Grammar and syntax check, clarity, coherent check, style and tone evaluation, work tools, and vocabulary, blah, blah, and all these set different things, right? Right. So this is how you can uh, 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 what are the different angle you can ask ChatGPT about certain thing, right? To get a feedback, right? So how can I use ChatGPT to help me to write programming code, right? To write programming code, programming. So syntax checking, right? If you are sort of syntax algorithm, you are the programmer, you know all these things, right? Code review, debugging, assistant learning resources, and this is how you can do, right? So the last part of the series, right, is a mentorship. And let's say you can treat your ChatGPT as a mentor who's able to mentor you, give you a suggestion, an idea how to take things forward. But let's say you said you I have a a 20 years old college grad and I want to start business and I have a 1,000 and I want to do a service-based business that I enjoy doing. I like photography to do that inside. So can you so can you give me a 5 idea of business I can start as well as what I can limit, right? So this is what is your ask here, right? So that's open for here, right? Okay, right. See what is the answer. Yep. So photography business, tutorial business, all this is a 5 key service-based business you can consider, right? So you say, I will prefer photographer. Okay. So then it will give you a different uh, idea, a few more detailed photography business idea, and so how you can start it, right? So how can I get started? How can I get started? How can I get started? So you can ask him, right? So define your niche, build your portfolio, and all this is in the sequences way how you can get a, 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 a good relevant response from ChatGPT. See how powerful is this tool, right? So again, you say I want to build a blog or website for this. This suggests the best website site. So you want to build a website or blog for your photography service business, right? So you want to ask what is the best website design tool, right? So we say WordPress with Squarespace format, smart marks, and all this is different answer you'll be getting from the ChatGPT. So this is how school, how smart, and this basically drive up all the my series of video talking about how to use ChatGPT. Right? I hope you got the idea here. So you can play around with all these different idea and uh, uh, play back my previous video to get what you can do and all this you can. I hope you learn something here to sharpen your skill, right? And of this. So just remember one thing when you ask some feedback from ChatGPT, please be very specific on your command, right? Be specific on the command and be objective, right? And try uh, to to give a really clear command or prompt, right, then it will be able to give you a right answer. In the event you find the answer doesn't fit into your need because they are also not perfect. They are a machine, right? Yeah. So you can always look at way how to fine tune the prompt to be better and better, and just do more practices. I'm sure you're going to able to become from the beginner become an intermediate and become an advanced prompt, right? And using the ChatGPT. So in the event you would like to get my ready made prompt at 20,000 prompt ready made for you, covering 50 different niches here. Just click the link below this video, just below this video, right? And get my ready made prompt 20,000 prompt just for a very low price, right? And this will actually show you a lot in you don't have to think what prompt to write because it basically you can just take the prompt, copy and paste it, right, based on the uh, question or requirement you want to ask, right? Right, just click the link below the video and you're going to get my 20 prompt in the Excel file, copy and paste it, right? Also, if you would like to learn more about how to make money with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other tons of AI tool, I have created a Udemy course here. The course is in the Udemy. It's a 6-hour long course covering over 20 chapters. I have lived live into more than 20 AI tools on how to make money with these 20 AI tools, right? And just click the link below this video. It will lead you to the Udemy's learning platform whereby you can sign up the course, right? Right now we have a special offer, 50% off, right? I have just launched a course. I spent hours week to create it. 6 hours of courses, right, covering all kind of tool, ChatGPT, Mid Journey. You can name it all the famous tool, right? And also the best part is how you can make money using all these tools, right? So everything is below this video. Click the tool link below this video. I bundle a ChatGPT, right? And also my new course how to make money with ChatGPT and AI tools, right? Just click the link below. In the event you have anything, do feel free to ask me, comment below, or just reach out to me, right? I will do my best to respond to you as soon as possible, right? So happy learning, and I will see you in the next video about AI tools or any other technologies related update, right? Right. So see you again next video. Bye.